Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Details like room size, bed type, room amenities, facilities, and usages, etc. Category 2. Room category 3. Hence, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen. Location of the property is fine. In case you love to enjoy the surrounding, 3 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various maps and payment policies. Check the link provided in the description. For the link, please check the link in the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in this property, you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.